Did you know that millions of homeowners across the country refinance their mortgages every year? It's a trend that's been growing steadily over the past decade. It's true. In fact, it's more common than you might think. Homeowners from various backgrounds and financial situations are taking advantage of refinancing opportunities. People from all walks of life choose to refinance their homes. They might be teachers, doctors, or even entrepreneurs. The reasons for refinancing can be as diverse as the people themselves. Refinancing is a powerful financial tool that can help you save money, lower your monthly payments, or secure a better interest rate. It can also help you pay off your mortgage faster, allowing you to own your home outright sooner than you might have expected. Additionally, refinancing can provide you with access to cash for other financial goals, such as home improvements, education, or even starting a business. It's not just for people in financial trouble. Many financially stable individuals choose to refinance to optimize their financial situation. Anyone can benefit from refinancing as long as they understand the process and the potential risks and rewards. It's important to do your research and consult with financial advisors. In the following sections, we'll demystify the refinancing process and empower you to make informed decisions about your mortgage. We'll cover everything from the basics to advanced strategies. Whether you're a seasoned homeowner or a first-time buyer, understanding refinancing can put you on the path to financial success. Stay tuned to learn how you can make the most of this powerful financial tool. Refinancing your mortgage simply means replacing your existing mortgage with a new one. This new mortgage will have different terms and conditions, such as a lower interest rate, a shorter loan term, or a different type of loan altogether. Why is this important? Because even a small change in your interest rate can save you thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. Imagine paying off your mortgage years earlier or having extra cash flow each month to invest or save for your future. Refinancing can be a game changer for your financial well-being. It's not just about saving money, it's about taking control of your finances and building a brighter future for yourself and your family. Many people think refinancing is only for those struggling to make their mortgage payments. This is simply not true. While refinancing can help homeowners in financial distress, it's also a smart financial move for those who are doing just fine. Think of refinancing as a financial checkup for your home. Just like you visit the doctor for regular checkups, it's essential to review your mortgage terms periodically. Interest rates fluctuate, and your financial situation may have changed since you first took out your mortgage. Don't let misconceptions hold you back from exploring the potential benefits of refinancing. It's not a sign of financial trouble, it's a sign of financial savvy. Refinancing might seem complicated, but it's a straightforward process when broken down into steps. By following a clear and organized plan, you can navigate the refinancing journey with confidence and ease. Let's walk through each step together to ensure you understand the process and make informed decisions. First, check your credit score. Lenders use your credit score to determine your interest rate. A higher score means better rates. It's essential to know where you stand before you start the refinancing process. You can obtain your credit report from major credit bureaus and review it for any inaccuracies. Correcting errors on your report can improve your score and potentially save you money on your new loan. Next, shop around for lenders. Don't settle for the first offer. Compare rates and terms from multiple lenders to get the best deal. Each lender may offer different terms, so it's crucial to understand the fine print. Look at the annual percentage rate, APR, fees, and other costs associated with each loan. This step can take some time, but it's worth the effort to find the best possible deal for your financial situation. Then, gather your documents. Be prepared to provide income verification, tax returns, and other financial documents. Having these documents ready can speed up the application process. Lenders will want to see proof of your financial stability, so make sure everything is up to date and accurate. This includes recent pay stubs, bank statements, and any other relevant financial information. After that, lock in your rate. Once you find a rate you're comfortable with, lock it in to protect yourself from rising interest rates. Rate locks can last from 30 to 60 days or even longer depending on the lender. Make sure you understand the terms of the rate lock and any potential costs associated with it. This step ensures that your rate won't increase before you close on your new loan. Finally, close the deal. This involves signing paperwork and paying closing costs, which can include appraisal fees, title insurance, and lender fees. Be prepared for this final step by understanding all the costs involved and having the necessary funds available. Closing can be a complex process, so take your time to review all documents carefully before signing. Remember, refinancing can be a powerful tool, but it's not without its pitfalls. Make sure you understand the terms of your new loan, including the interest rate, loan term, and closing costs. Take the time to read through all the details and ask questions if anything is unclear. Being well informed will help you avoid any surprises down the road. Don't be afraid to ask questions and seek professional advice if needed. Consulting with a financial advisor or mortgage professional can provide valuable insights and help you make the best decisions for your financial future. They can guide you through the process, answer any questions you may have, and ensure that you are making the most informed choices possible. Let's meet Sarah, a single mother who was struggling to make ends meet. Sarah's days were filled with anxiety and sleepless nights, constantly worrying about how she would provide for her family. Every month she found herself juggling bills, trying to stretch her paycheck just a little bit further. She had purchased her home a few years ago when interest rates were higher. At the time, it seemed like a good decision, a step towards stability and a better future for her and her daughter. But as the years went by, the high interest rates became a heavy burden. She felt trapped by her mortgage payments, which were eating into her budget and leaving her with little room for savings or unexpected expenses. The constant financial strain made it difficult for Sarah to focus on anything else. She often found herself wondering if she would ever be able to get ahead. One day, Sarah heard about refinancing on a radio show. The host was discussing how refinancing could help homeowners lower their monthly payments and save money. Intrigued, Sarah decided to look into it further. She had never considered refinancing before, thinking it was too complicated or out of reach. She decided to explore her options and was surprised to learn that she qualified for a lower interest rate. Sarah met with a financial advisor who explained the process in detail and showed her how much she could save. The possibility of reducing her monthly payments was a glimmer of hope in her otherwise stressful financial situation. By refinancing, Sarah was able to reduce her monthly mortgage payment significantly. The paperwork was straightforward, and soon she was signing the documents that would change her financial future. The relief she felt was immense, knowing that she would have more breathing room in her budget. This freed up extra cash flow each month, allowing her to start saving for her daughter's college education and build a financial safety net for her family. With the extra money, Sarah could finally put some aside for emergencies and even treat her daughter to small joys that were previously out of reach. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of refinancing. It transformed her life from one of constant worry to one of hope and possibility. She now had the confidence to plan for the future and the peace of mind that comes with financial stability. It's not just about numbers, it's about real people's lives and the positive impact it can have on their financial well-being. Refinancing can be a powerful tool to help families like Sarah's achieve their dreams and secure a brighter future. Refinancing your mortgage can be a smart financial move, but it's crucial to make informed decisions. Here's a recap of the key takeaways. Refinancing is not just for people in financial trouble. It's a financial checkup for your home. Shop around for the best rates and terms. Don't settle for the first offer you receive. Understand the terms of your new loan. Be aware of the interest rate, loan term, and closing costs. Seek professional advice if needed. Don't be afraid to ask questions and get help from a financial advisor. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding the ins and outs of refinancing, you can make the best decisions for your financial future. Have you refinanced your mortgage? What was your experience like? Share your story in the comments below and inspire others to take control of their finances. Your insights and experiences could be invaluable to someone considering refinancing. Let's create a community of informed homeowners who support and learn from each other. Together, we can navigate the world of finance and achieve our financial goals. Refinancing is just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to achieving financial freedom. Continue your journey by exploring other personal finance topics such as budgeting, saving, investing, and getting out of debt. Remember, financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. By taking small steps each day and making informed decisions, you can create a brighter financial future for yourself and your loved ones. Dave Ramsey is a personal finance expert, radio host, and author of several best-selling books on money management. His mission is to empower people to take control of their finances and live debt-free lives. Dave's advice is based on common sense and biblical principles, encouraging people to live within their means, avoid debt, and build a strong financial foundation for the future.